Hi, it's Charlie here back at Partickhill Station. I was in the craft store yesterday and I picked up this little package of, if you can see it there, there's flowers and grasses. It was like $5. And I also picked up this bag of natural kind of bushes. I don't have this particular type, so they'll both come in handy. If we look at the station, you can see I've got some flower boxes here that I had previously installed some of the flowers in. And here is one where I've yet to complete, and I'll be doing that next. Now, interesting to tell you that these flower boxes were donated by Rob Johnson. Now, I haven't heard from Rob for some time. I'm not sure where he is, what he's doing, how he is. But Rob also gave me these trees that fit in nicely beside the Highland Church. So once again, thanks Rob, and hope we can be back in touch again soon. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue into the flower box and then put in some of these nice little flowers that you see here. So I'm just going to take some of this PVA glue and put it in here so that the flowers will stick to it. It's not going in very well, but I'll get that to work. Here we go. Just get some of these flowers in there. Just like that. They're not in properly. There. I think the problem is there's a base on these flowers. And it's wider than the box. There you go. I think that looks nice. It'll add a bit of colour to the station platform. And let's just get it on there. I'm going to add these onto the rock cuttings here, just for a little bit of additional effect and atmosphere. First I'll need to put some glue on, and then I'll apply the bushes. That looks pretty effective. I might put some more on. And now I've got some of the bushes in place, and it looks pretty effective. And as usual, there's always a train spotter. Anybody you know? Well, I hope you enjoyed this short little video from Partickhill Station with the Tivoli cinema opened and showing Silent Witness. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give me the big thumbs up and look forward to a 1,000 subscriber announcement. I am very, very close, and we'll be doing a special live show to celebrate that event. So look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye for now.